I'm Kimberly Peterson. I work in Prince William County, Virginia in the administrative ESOL office, and I'm the coordinator for professional development there. As you can see, I have set up a T-chart. I have chosen two areas of ethical responsibilities teachers have to discuss and two of the legal responsibilities teachers are owned to discuss. These two things do not exist apart from each other. Certainly within laws, there are inherent ethical responsibilities as well. The reason for the separation really comes down to the fact that not every ethical responsibility is stated as law. The first ethical responsibility I chose came from a list created by the American Association of School Administrators, or AASA. The first one states that the educator supports the principle of due process and protects the civil and human rights of all individuals. In other words, the teacher is fair and really strives to listen to and represent all students fairly and equally. Who among us has not felt a little like Judge Judy, listening to and deciding upon the post-recess tales of woe? The second ethical responsibility chosen from the same source, AASA, lists once again that the educator will make the education and well-being of the students the fundamental value of all decision-making. The teacher will weigh many decisions based on what is best for the educational needs of their students. What is best for their well-being? I think this crosses almost into the line of the Hippocratic oath doctors take. First, do no harm. The first law or legal responsibility I chose ties in pretty closely with this. It is actually a responsibility or law that the school board shall provide, but the teacher is the agent who supports the school board in providing established policies designed to provide education in an atmosphere free from disruption and threat to persons or property. And it's supportive of all individual rights. Each school division, school and classroom must offer this and provide this. Some of the case law examples I looked at which attempted to show that a teacher or school had not provided this atmosphere involved bullying cases. In the case of Moreau versus Belaski, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, expressed sympathy for the victim of a high school bullying situation and her family. They stated that parents should be able to send their children off to school with some level of comfort and that they're protected from bullies. However, in its lengthy June 5th decision, the court stated that nonetheless, the Constitution does not provide judicial remedies for every social ill. The next legal responsibility I will discuss is that of the educator as a mandated reporter. The Virginia State Attorney General's opinion, number 00111, from December 2001, shared in detail several scenarios in which a teacher or school administrator must act as a mandated reporter to social services. The National Clearinghouse of State Legislature states that all 50 states have laws and policies specifying procedures for reporting suspected child abuse or neglect. Mandated reporters are required in most states to make immediate report when they know of or suspect abuse. Virginia lists teachers as mandated reporters, as do 47 other states. The only two who do not are New Jersey and Wyoming. These two states do not list mandated professionals. New York State has published a summary guide of mandated reporters. It is lengthy. We educators are joined by almost every health professional, daycare worker, etc. In many states, failure to report is considered a misdemeanor. Virginia does not state the law in this way, but it is law to report. We are mandated. This is just a small picture of 2 of the ethical responsibilities and 2 of the legal responsibilities we have as educators. Thank you for listening.